Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, today we discuss about dropshipping. In the era of e-commerce, dropshipping has emerged as a powerful business model that allows entrepreneurs to sell products to customers without the need for inventory. This revolutionary approach has opened the door to countless opportunities, but it also requires a deep understanding of its inner working to succeed. In this video post, we will explore the role of dropshipping, its key components, and the strategies that can help you thrive in this dynamic landscape. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store does not keep the products it sells in stocks. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party, usually a wholesaler or manufacturers, and has it shipped directly to the customer. In essence, the store acts as a middleman between the supplier and the customer. From books to everything. What started as an online bookstore quickly grew into something much more significant because realized that Amazon influence could be used to sell for more than just books. The platforms expanded to include music, movies, electronic, and a wide range of consumer goods. Amazon was no longer just a bookstore, it was become a one-stop shop for virtually anything you could imagine. The dropshipping process. The dropshipping process can be broken down into several key steps like step A, find supplier, build an online store, import products, set your price, market your store, receive order, supplier ships, customer receive the product. Dropshipping suppliers. Suppliers are the backbone of the dropshipping business. Reliable suppliers are essential for ensuring product quickly and timely order fulfillment. Common scaring of suppliers including manufacturers, wholesalers, and dropshipping platforms like AliExpress. E-commerce platforms. You need an e-commerce platform to set up your online store. Popular, popular platforms include Shopify, WooCommerce for WordPress, and BigCommerce. These platforms offer various features, themes, and tools for building and managing your stores. marketing and promotions. To attract customers to your store, you will need to implement marketing and promotions strategies. These can include search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, content marketing, pay per click advertising,